Hi, I'm Effie. It's time for a mindful moment. Let's do it. To start, sit or lie down in a comfortable position. I'm going to sit. And now, let's take some deep breaths. We are going to breathe in for the count of 4 and then out for the count of 4. And that's 4 counts in and 4 counts out. I'm going to breathe in through my nose and out through my mouth. And I'll count. So all you have to do is relax and focus on your breath. It's a really deep breath, and we are going to take 3 of them. That's 3 deep breaths. Are you ready? Let's go. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. And out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. And out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. And out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Now we are ready for our mindful moment quote. Today's mindful moment quote is from Ralph Waldo Emerson. Ralph Waldo Emerson says, "Earth laughs in flowers." Oh, I love this quote. It's so cool to think about the earth laughing in beautiful flowers that we see all around us. Do you like to laugh? I know I do. When do you laugh? I laugh when something is funny, or when I'm having fun, or when I am delighted by someone or something. For me, laughter signifies positive emotions. It means that I feel happy, delighted, excited, really good. Let's take another deep 4-count breath. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. And out. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, what makes you laugh? What makes you happy? What makes you feel really good? Pick a person who makes you laugh or that you love being around. When you're with them, you just feel really good. I'm going to pick my grandma. She always makes me laugh, and I love to cuddle with her and to read with her. You can think about your grandma or granddad, or your mom or dad, or your sister or brother, or your friend, or your cousin, or neighbor, or teacher. Anyone you want. Anyone who makes you laugh or makes you feel super good. Together, let's think about our feel-good person. Are you ready? Okay, let's do it. Close your eyes. Now, use your memory and imagination and picture that person in your mind. What color is their hair? Can you think of their face? What do they look like when they smile or laugh? And now, remember the last time you had a good time with them. What did you do? Think about what you did and how good it felt to be with them. Keep thinking about them, and I will tell you when time is up. All right, time's up. Open your eyes. That felt really great. I love thinking about the people I love and how it feels to be with them. And I love that I got to think about them with you. You are amazing. You are awesome and smart and capable of doing anything you put your mind to. And remember, you can rewatch this video and practice this mindful moment anytime you want. You can even practice this mindful moment with your family and friends. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. I had so much fun. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy learning.